the function from the Desmos Online Graphing Calculator. X squared e to the 3x, and we're supposed to find the maximum value on the open interval from -2 to 0. The way that we do that is to find the first derivative and set it equal to 0 to find critical numbers. So to find the first derivative of f, I use the product rule. First function, x squared times the derivative of the second is e to the 3x times 3, plus the second function, e to the 3x times the derivative of the first, 2x. So I rewrote that like this. And I want to know, when is this first derivative, when does it have a value of 0, or when is it undefined? Of course, it's continuous everywhere. So it's just a question of when is it equal to 0. And to find out when it's equal to 0, factor out the greatest common factor, which is x e to the 3x, leaving terms of 3x plus 2 inside the parentheses. So this expression on the left is equal to 0 when any one of these factors is equal to 0. X equals 0. E to the 3x is never equal to 0. But 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 and x equals -2/3. And so what we want to do is test the sign of the first derivative in these intervals. We're only concerned about this interval from -2 to -2/3 and from -2/3 to 0. Let's test -1. If I put -1 in the first derivative, I see that I get a value that's positive. And that tells us that the original function is increasing because the slopes of tangent lines are positive. And if I test a number in this interval from -2/3 to 0, I see I get a negative number. And that means the original function is decreasing. So this -2/3 generates a relative maximum because the function has gone from increasing to decreasing. And if you, let's see, it said find the maximum value on -2, 0. So this f of -2/3, that is the answer to the problem. That little distance right there represents the maximum value of the function on the interval from -2 to 0. There you go.